Hi everyone, so I want to take a couple of minutes and show you how to work through these problems for the insurance math. This is number 19, chapter 1 of your Connect assignments. So for letter A, we have a patient with a $100 deductible and the patient is billed $95. The patient will still owe $95 because their deductible has not been met. So if you haven't read through your chapter, then you may not know that your deductible has to be met before your insurance will cover any portion of your medical expenses. Since this patient's deductible has not been met, they will then be billed the full $95. For this patient, in letter B, they have a 75-25 plan with 25% being their co-insurance. Their deductible has been met, so they do not have to have deductibles figured out. So their insurance is going to cover whatever this is before, or because their deductible's already been met. So what we do is take that $1,000. Find my calculator. $1,000, not 10. Jeez. We take that times 0.25, which is the 25% that the patient is responsible for, and that's going to make the patient responsible for $250. In order to figure out where the $750 comes from, that the insurance is going to be billed, we take 1,000 minus the $250 that's the patient's responsibility, and that gives us $750 that we're going to bill the insurance for this patient. So then for letter C, we have a patient that has an 80-20 co-insurance, so 20% of the bill of this $420 is going to be the patient's responsibility, and the remainder we're going to bill to the insurance. This patient's deductible has also been met, so we don't have to worry about figuring out charges prior to their deductible having been met. So for this patient, we will take 420 and multiply that by 0.2 for 20%, gives us $84 that the patient is going to owe. And then to figure out what we're going to bill the insurance, we take 420 minus 84, gives us $336 that we are going to bill to the insurance. So let me move this up just a little bit here so I can get these last two problems in. Can we see that okay? I think so. Okay, so for D, they have a capitated HMO with a $10 copay. With capitated insurance plans, we don't bill them anything other than their copay. So we would charge the $10 copay, which in the problem it states that they have paid, so then their remaining balance is $0. And then lastly, for letter E, this patient has a $20 copay, has a 30% coinsurance, which effectively makes them have a 70-30 plan, and they have a $785 charge. So the first thing we do is take the copay off because that's cash up front. So we take $785. Let me see if I can make this a little bit clearer for you. $785 minus 20 gives us $765. And then to figure out what our patient and insurance responsibilities will be, make my phone flip right. We are going to take 765 times 0.30, which is the 30% that the patient is going to pay, and that's going to give us $229.50. That's the patient's responsibility, which leaves us $535.50 to bill the insurance. So this is just a basic insurance math problem. You'll be doing quite a few of these, I believe, throughout the course. So hopefully this helps for those of you that were having a little bit of trouble with this. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or message me in Canvas. Thanks.